Good morning to all of you and Jai Gurudev. Today we will start the new topic of current electricity. That one is uh, resistance and resistivity, and after that it's factor affecting. Means first of all we should discuss the what is the meaning of resistance. Then after that what is the meaning of resistivity. Then we can discuss what is the dependency of resistance and resistivity. So you can see in the resistance, when already you know that according to the Ohm's law, by Ohm's law V is equal to IR. So resistance already we know that the R is the resistance, but we don't know what is the actual meaning. Actual meaning is resistance is to oppose the current, which and a thing which oppose the current, we can say it is called resistance. Means we know that by Ohm's law V is equal to IR and R is called resistance. How can we define? We can define it is the property of an conductor. It is the property of an conductor due to which it opposes the flow of electric current. Opposes the flow of electric current through it. It is the opposition to the flow of current. So that means the main function of the resistance is current को oppose करता है. Okay. The symbol of the electric resistance is R. What is the symbol? R. R is the symbol of the resistance. We can say R symbol, and it is the symbol of resistance in the use of electric circuit. Now what is the formula of the resistance? R is equal to V upon I by Ohm's law. We will discuss another formula after some time. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. It is a scalar quantity. Okay, understood? Now resistivity. It is a type of also resistance. It is the type of resistance, but different place. Means when the resistance is developed in a 1 meter of wire, so we can say it is called the resistivity. But how can we define the proper definition? So it is a rho. You can say it is a rho. Greek word, it is a rho. The definition, proper definition of resistivity is resistance offered by 1 meter long piece. It is a piece written. Long piece of a cylindrical substance having a cross-sectional area of 1 meter square is called resistivity. So meaning is the 1 meter wire having a resistance is called resistivity. It is denoted by rho. After that we will discuss the factor on which depends. So we can discuss the first factor is nature of material, temperature of material. It does not depends upon length or area of cross section. That means you can see the first is nature of material, temperature of material, and third is it does not depends upon length or area of the cross section of the material. It does not depend, but it is depend on the nature of the material and temperature. Okay. It is also a scalar quantity. Resistance is also a scalar quantity, and it is resistivity also a scalar quantity. Now what is the formula of resistivity? Resistance formula R is equal to V upon I, and but the formula of resistivity is different. So we want to calculate the formula of this resistivity. So we have to take the factor on which resistance of a conductor depends. What is the factor? What is the factor of the resistance of conductor? It is depend. So firstly, the resistance is depend on the length. If length will increase, the resistance also will increase. But area, second thing is area. Area is inversely proportional to the resistance, because the area will increase, the resistance will decrease. So it is a inversely proportional. Area of cross section means, suppose we are taking it is a wire, so it is a area of cross section, it is a tip, area of cross section A. So it is a inversely proportional. When we will combine of both these, so we will get R proportionality sign L upon A. Okay. If we will remove of this, if we will remove the sign of proportionality sign we will remove, then we will got the one constant. So the rho is also constant, but we will take here the form of resistivity. Rho is constant, is called resistivity. R, capital R is equal to rho L upon A. So the formula of resistivity, rho is equal to R A upon L. Okay, it is the formula of resistivity. Then after that, how can we calculate the SI unit of resistivity? The SI unit of resistance is ohm, but the SI unit of resistivity is different. But how can we calculate? With the help of this formula. The SI unit of R is ohm, area is meter square, or length is meter. So we can cancel the meter, 1 meter to 1 meter, and also we can detail here ohm, meter, m, meter, 1 meter, meter will call ohm meter. It is the SI unit of resistivity. Okay. Now we want to discuss some question which is depend on the resistance and resistivity. For example, suppose you can see, if area of cross section is double, the area of cross section is double, then what is the effect on resistance? What is the effect of resistance, or what is the value of resistance? Okay, so answer is, so we know that by the relation between here we have to write by the relation between R and A, means resistance and area. We know that R is inversely proportional area. So we are taking here, according to the question, area is double. Area is double means in place of A we have to take 2A. So we have 2A, it is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means half. So resistance becomes half. Resistance become half. So also you can do this next question. You can try. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If A is half, then what is the resistance? Another one, if R, the resistance, is double, then what is the value of A? If A, the area is 1/4, then how much capital R? If R is 1/4, then how much area? So you have to solve this question, which is depend on the resistance and resistivity.